my beans. I'm oppressed by the algorithm, shadow banned for my takes. Every meme that hurts my feelings is a threat to the United States. We're the woke right, yeah, we're sensitive tonight. Cancel me harder, daddy, make me feel alive. We scream free speech, but clutch our pearls so tight. We're the woke right only lives by crying every night. I read 12 tweets from strangers, now I need a safe space. Got ratioed by a commie with the pinko anime face. My tradwife left for Portland, said my vibes were kinda mid. Now I'm rage posting on Telegram about the kid she almost hit. I'm a victim of big yoga and the globalist ballet. If you say happy holidays, I'll literally waste away. We're the woke right, yeah, we're fragile snowflakes fight. Call me slurs on the timeline, it's my God-given right. We'll burn Nikes we already bought just to prove we're not polite. The woke right, grifting off our feelings every night. We want hierarchy, but only if we're on the top rung. We want Western sip, but can't name 5 things it's ever done. We quote dead guys on marble, then misspell their names online. Tread values mean Venmo requests and 40 mugs of wine. Yeah, we're the woke right, triggered by rainbow lights. We'll die on every hill as long as it trends just right. We turn based into begging for a blue check parasite. With a woke right, the left just laughs and blocks us. Man, it feels so right. So here's to all my brothers clutching rosaries and ARs. May your safe space be a bunker and your feelings shoot for Mars. We finally understand you. Wait, no, never mind, you're wrong. We're the woke right, baby. Now play this sad, sad song.